Back Darpan Sikho Sikhao channel. My name is Pradeep Kumar. Today I am bringing you a HP Patwari requirement 2023 notification out for 874 vacancies. The Himachal Pradesh Patwari 2023 notification to be out soon. A total of 874 vacancies has been announced. 697 candidate in Mohal side and 177 candidate in settlement side. As per office letter, aspiring candidates are hereby informed that the official requirement notification will be released by department in the near further. हिमाचल प्रदेश पटवारी 2023 की नोटिफिकेशन को ध्यान में रखते हुए 874 वैकेंसियाँ खाली है, जिसमें अभी जो है 5 साल के लिए जो है पटवारियों को रखा जाएगा। इसमें 697 कैंडिडेट मोहाल साइड और 177 कैंडिडेट जो है सेटलमेंट साइड में रखे जाएंगे। फॉर मोर डिटेल यू रीड बिलो द a total of 874 वैकेंसी हैज़ बीन अनाउंस्ड। इसमें जो है 874 वैकेंसियाँ अनाउंस्ड की गई है। फ्रेंड्स दैट यू कैन सी हियर, जिसमें 697 कैंडिडेट मोहाल साइड और 177 कैंडिडेट इन सेटलमेंट साइड पर तैनात किए जाएंगे। एज़ पर ऑफिस लेटर, जो ये ऑफिस लेटर है मेमोरेंडम, उसके अनुसार जो है गाइडलाइन निकाली गई है। कैंडिडेट डाउनलोड द ऑफिशियल नोटिस फ्रॉम द लिंक गिवन एज इन द आर्टिकल। इस आर्टिकल में जो भी ऑफिशियल लिंक दिया गया है, आप उसमें से जो है मेमोरेंडम जो होता है इसका लेटर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। 6 सितंबर 2023 नोटिफिकेशन टू बी अनाउंस आउट सून। द हिमाचल प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट हैज़ अनाउंस्ड अ टोटल ऑफ 874 Patwari posts in Himachal Pradesh for the year 2023. The official requirement notification will be unveiled by the department in the very near further. HP Patwari vacancy 2000. The Himachal Pradesh government has announced a total number of posts 874 Patwari posts in Himachal for the year 2023. The detail of category-wise vacancy will be updated once the authorized release the detailed required notification. The application date for the HP Patwari requirement will be announced shortly. The application process is likely be online. The steps to apply online are the follows. इसमें जो है एप्लीकेशन का प्रोसेस ऑनलाइन होगा और आप ऑनलाइन जो है स्टेप बाय स्टेप जो है अपने एप्लीकेशन को फिलअप कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए यू जस्ट विजिट ऑन द HP गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट, स्टेप 2 अंडर द रिक्वायरमेंट टैब, क्लिक ऑन द लिंक टू अप्लाई फॉर द HP पटवारी रिक्वायरमेंट 2022, फिल इन द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, uploaded the required documents such as a photograph and signature. You may use the textbook photocopy tools to optimize the size of the document for uploading. Verify the detail needed and apply. The selection of candidate for the HP Patwari post will likely comprise a written exam of document verification. Details of the HP Patwari selection process 2023 will be updated once notified by the concerned authorities. HP Patwari eligibility criteria 2023. The candidate must check the detailed HP Patwari eligibility criteria 2023 before applying the post to avoid disqualifying their applications. Changes to the eligibility, if any, will be updated once notified by the concerned authorities. The following Sub-selections provide details of the HP Patwari eligibility criteria 2023. HP Patwari age requirement. The age of the applicants must be within the age limit as mentioned below. Maximum is 18 years. Minimum is 80 years or maximum years 45 years. HP Patwari education qualification. The application for the said post must have passed class 12th from a recognized board. HP Patwari exam date 2003. The application for the said post must remember the following date of the HP Patwari requirement 2023. Application start to be announced. Application end to be announced. Written exam to be announced or admit card release to be announced or result to be announced within 1 month. HP Patwari salary 2003 expected. The expected salary of the candidate appointed as Patwari under the Himachal Pradesh Revenue Department will be entitled to a pay scale of INR 10,000 to 99 INR and 34,800. We hope this article on HP Patwari requirement 2003 was informative and helpful for you. You may also download the Task Book app to start preparing for various government exams. The notification of Himachal Pradesh 2023 is not announced yet, but the government has recently announced a total of number vacancies at 74 vacancies for Patwari in HP. The notification will be updated here once it will be released. Have taken UHP Patwari requirement free test. If you join our YouTube channel Darpan Sikho Sikhaao, thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe my channel.